Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Australia's immigration landscape has seen a significant shift with the introduction of the Skills in Demand visa, which is replacing the temporary skill shortage subclass 482 visa. A key component of this new three-tiered system is the Essential Skills Pathway, which is designed to control and enhance the migration process for lower-paid but important occupations. In this video, we will go over the key features of the Essential Skills Pathways for Australia PR in 2024, as well as the differences between this pathway and the Core Skills Pathway. The Essential Skills Pathway is the result of the need to improve the immigration system, especially for lower-paid industries, where there is a greater chance of worker exploitation and displacement in Australia. In order to ensure equitable treatment and alleviate ongoing labor shortages, this pathway seeks to implement more regulated and protective measures for migrants working in certain areas. Key features of the Essential Skills Pathway. Some key features of the Essential Skills Pathway include: 1. Sector-specific and capped. A limited number of migrants will be allowed on the pathway, which will be customized for particular industries. 2. Tougher regulation and minimum standards. This route will prioritize making sure that standards and job conditions are strong. 3. Frequent monitoring and consultation. Jobs and Skills Australia will be essential in monitoring the effects on the labor market and providing guidance on the efficacy of this approach. Together with employers, unions, migrant workers, and state and territory governments, the Essential Skills Pathway was developed. Some areas that are most important to the living conditions of immigrants and Australians, like the care and support sector, are one of the main emphasis of this pathway. This industry-specific strategy will preserve the standard of living for both Australians and migrants while offering focused answers to workforce issues. Differences between Core Skills and Essential Skills Pathways. The Core and Essential Skills Pathways will differ within particular industries according to occupation and salary. For example, registered nurses may follow the Core Skills Pathway, whereas individuals providing aged care may use the Essential Skills Pathway. However, regulations are in place for both paths to guarantee the admission of skilled workers that Australia needs and to safeguard the rights of employees. The Care Industry Labour Agreement and the PALM program are two examples of existing labour agreements that have greatly influenced the development of the Essential Skills Pathway. These agreements, which include thousands of workers in direct care, offer crucial information about how to design regulated career pathways for lower-paid workers with the required skills. Prospective discussions and policies. Through further consultations, which the Australian government has scheduled for early to mid-2024, the Essential Skills Pathway will be modified. The aim of these discussions is to develop a comprehensive regulatory framework that balances the needs of Australia's labour market with the protection of foreign workers. With a wide range of occupations, the Specialist Skills Track has a salary criterion of 135,000 Australian dollars, while with an emphasis on in-demand professions, the Core Skills Pathway has a salary requirement of around 70,000 Australian dollars. The Essential Skills Pathway, on the other hand, focuses on lower-paid but crucial industries within the Australian economy and has a salary requirement of less than 70,000 Australian dollars. Indexation and labour market testing reforms. Based on average weekly ordinary time earnings, the government will index the Core and Specialist Skills Pathways pay levels. In an effort to increase efficiency, labour market testing is also being simplified, and as data on skill shortages improves, plans are in place to phase it out gradually. A balanced approach to skilled migration. In order to define skills requirements, the government has given Jobs and Skills Australia a statutory function. This approach will benefit from coordination across the education, training, and migration sectors to guarantee that recognised labour shortages are addressed comprehensively. Australia has demonstrated its commitment to a just and balanced skilled migration policy with the creation of the Essential Skills Pathway. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.